Hey everybody, today we are out in Fairfield, California at one of our favorite places to be.
Jelly Belly!
We've been coming here since the kids were little. This is the Jelly Belly factory. You get to do a tour and then there's a gift shop, and I think they've added like a cafe, and I read online something about a wine tasting, so we may be leaving with a bottle of wine today.
Yes.
But this is one of our favorite places to come, so we will
Been here
add...
for 20 years. We've been coming here.
Yep.
It's great. It's amazing.
And so we will add some more pictures of the inside. I'm going to try to film some more inside. And so if you're ever out here in Fairfield,
come on, let's go.
Come check it out. So we just came inside to the Jelly Belly factory, and with your tour, it's $5 a person. An active duty has 20% off, but you get this ever so fashionable Jelly Belly hat that you have to wear on the tour, and
free beans,
free Jelly Bellies. So stay tuned. We're headed to the tour. You have to follow the candy up the stairs.
I feel like I'm in an 80s movie theater.
Roller rink. I feel like this is a roller skate.
Oh yeah, there you go.
It creates and fills up to 15 Jelly Belly gift boxes per minute. We can pack up to 50 individual Jelly Belly bean flavors in specific compartments thanks to this machine. The base of the box is folded, glued, and shaped, while a plastic tray liner is added. Only Jelly Belly does. Before this step was automated, workers used to hand scoop the right amount of jelly beans into each cup, and they used to have to do it two-handed.
Jelly Bellies are sleeping. That's what they say. They're sleeping. It's so damn loud here though. I don't think they're getting good rest.
Works of art for a great artist talent.
Making Jelly Belly art has evolved over the years. The first Jelly Belly was built by...
So here are all these jelly beans behind us. I have a favorite Jelly Belly. What is your favorite Jelly Belly?
Berry cherry, buttered popcorn.
My favorite all-time best Jelly Belly is pear. It tastes just like a real actual pear, but obviously way more sugar, but much better.
And marshmallow. Marshmallow.
Pear.
Butter popcorn.
What is your favorite? Let us know. These are all made from Jelly Bellies.
I don't have the patience for this. There ain't no way I could do this. I could eat.
Many approximately 5 feet by 4 feet. This is so the final image is clearly recognizable. Think of each bean as a pixel. The more detail in the image, the more pixels are needed. Depending on the technique of the artist, a final work of Jelly Belly art can use, on average, 15,000 Jelly Belly jelly beans. And if you look even closer, you've hidden treasures in several works of Jelly Belly art.
Pretty sure this is where they do the Breaking Bad part, and this is like where they make drugs. Looks just like them.
250 pounds of chewy Jelly Belly jelly bean centers in these spinning drums, adding flavorful and colorful syrups and sugar. The combination of alternating between these ingredients and all that tumbling builds up the outer soft shell of the Jelly Belly jelly bean, and most importantly, maintains that Jelly Belly's signature dimple in the bean. This is where the science of food meets the art of candy making. Candy makers can tell just by looking at the colorful batches it spins in the pans what it needs next. Is it time to add more sugar? Is it ready for operation? It all starts here. This is where the center of a Jelly Belly jelly bean begins. You know what they say, if you can't stand the heat, get out of the kitchen. Our kitchen is pretty toasty, and there's a reason why it's so warm up there. Candy makers create what's called a slurry. That's a hot liquid candy mixture made of water, sugar, corn syrup, and cornstarch. Each Jelly Belly bean might start out with the same 4 ingredients, but each flavor is unique with its own special secret recipe. Large kettles are filled with the slurry before candy makers.
What flavor? Chocolate, coffee,
Root beer.
root beer.
Bring each individual flavor to life. For example, each
Unfortunately,
slurry
we'll never
adds
find the
part of
answer
the
out.
Nope.
slurry here. Real ingredients like this are used whenever possible to flavor and color what will become the center of the bean. For example, we use real blueberry puree for blueberry, real coffee for cappuccino,
First day on the job. You're the bean sweeper upper person. Get all those loose beans. Wonder what they do with them. He probably sneaks to the back. No, I'm not going to say that. Oh, here it goes.
What's he gonna do with theirs, Gun?
There it all goes.
all the buttons are pushed, the fun begins. These travel through the conveyor system and fall into a spinning drum. All this coloring mixes with delicious
You want to know how they make the mixed bag varieties? This is it right here. Big long conveyor belt with all 30 flavors.
all your favorite collection. Each mix and package size has its own calculation and ratio of flavors needed to ensure you can pick as many different flavors as possible in your bag. After the beans are mixed, they are pumped out by bucket elevator and moving conveyor to layers that are deposited into a waiting containers. This entire process is one long assembly line, with each step relying on nuts. Filters here help keep things moving, and an ultrasonic level sensor is run to keep track of how full it is. When all the flavors are present and accounted for on the belt, and the ultrasonic sensor indicates the run has room, the line can
That's it.
Otherwise, the line may
Y'all go into the big mixer.
and you may notice
Then they all come out over here.
when you first begin. Means your tour is almost at an end. You still have a few secrets to share.
There he goes. That's funny.
All right, we just finished our day at the Jelly Belly factory. We have all of our jelly bean goodness.
We are loaded up, loaded up. We're gonna go home and eat jelly beans and all night.
So if you ever in Fairfield, don't forget to stop by the Jelly Belly factory and check it out. It's pretty awesome.
Have a good time. Bye.